Now, for our next question, for our very first question rather, which of the following numbers were prime, or which of the following numbers are prime composite? So, what I have here is a list of numbers from 1 up to 10. So, let's take a look at each factor of our numbers from 1 to 10. So, if we factor 1, this would be 1 times 1. So, therefore, our number 1 is neither prime nor composite. So, 1 is a special number. Let's have 2. Factor 2 is 2 times 1. Okay, this is our very first example of prime. This is prime. And let's have 3. So for 3, you have 3 times 1. This is prime. Now, let's have 4. The factors were 2 times 2. And let's factor out 2 times 1 and 2 times 1. So, since it is factor out more than once, this is now composite. Now, let's have 5. Have here 5 times 1. This is prime. Next is 6. 3 times 2. 3 times 1 and 2 times 1. So this is prime. Next is 7. 7 times 1. Oh no, it's not prime. Sorry. It is composite. 7 is prime. Next, number 8. 4 times 2. 2 times 2. 2 times 1. 2 times 1. And 2 times 1. So this is composite. So 8 is composite. Oops. Now, let's have 9. 3 times 3. 3 times 1. And 3 times 1. So this is composite. Next one is 10. You have 5 times 2. And here, 5 times 1 and 2 times 1. So this is composite. So, here's what we did from numbers 1 to 10. So, 1 is neither prime nor composite. 2, the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. So, these are the only prime numbers from 1 to 10. 2, 3, 5, and 7. The other one, the composites are 4, 6, 8, 9, and 10. So, how are you going to know if a number is prime or composite? Comment it down below.